The charismatic lead singer was the cynosure of the audience attention. The city's new museum has become a cynosure for art lovers and tourists alike. The company's innovative approach to sustainability has made it a cynosure for environmentally conscious investors. Have you noticed I have used a word cynosure in all these sentences? So, what does it mean? Well, it refers to a person or thing that is the center of attention, interest, or admiration. It can also describe something that serves as a guide, guiding others towards a particular direction or goal.